Hey, what's up guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. I got a tool review I'm going to do today. So this company reached out to me and asked me if I would review their product. So I said, sure, why not? It does come in a nice case. Safety triangle built into it. So if it broke down on the side of the road, put the safety triangle out. Now what this is it's a jack and air compressor combination. So, yeah, let's get this unboxed. All right, let's get this thing opened up. First off, it's got all sorts of stuff in there for the air compressor, fuses. Get the built-in air. Oh, this is an impact wrench. Okay. Well, just put this thing to the test. We'll just use the Porsche here. Alright, so since this car obviously doesn't run, let's see here. We'll hook this up, 12 volt. They did send this, it's an adapter, so we'll use it. We'll go negative, positive. Oh, it's flashing, doing something. There's the air compressor. Got a light on it. It's pretty handy. Flashing lights, red and blue. Alright, we're gonna put it under the car. Alright, well, it got the car up in the air. So let's unhook that. We'll hook up this here little impact and see. I don't know. We'll see. I got my reservations. Well, that's kind of neat actually. And this battery may not be fully charged. Let's see how it tightens though. Like I said, this battery's probably not fully charged, so I'm not giving it a fair shake on that. But does it work? Yes. So put these lug nuts back on so I can let this thing down. I mean, it's fairly tight. Almost got to. Alright, I mean, it works. It does work. And I did not pre-loosen that, just so everybody knows. Whoops. I unplugged it. Alright. Well, I mean, it works. Let's try the air compressor. Let's see what the air compressor does. To be honest with you, this thing's kind of neat actually. Just screw the air compressor on here. That's a pretty good little compressor actually. All right, let's put this thing to the test. Legit test this time. I got my 05 cat eye here. Let's plug this thing into the cigarette lighter like you would if you're sitting on the side of the road. We got power. All right, let's see what this thing's made of. Extend out our little thing here. All right, we are up off of the ground now. Now, let's try out this your little impact, I guess it would be, maybe ish thing. Just so you know, I did not pre-loosen those. It did it. So I mean, it's up high enough to take the wheel off. So we changed our tire. Let's see if it'll tighten it back up. All right, let's let it back down, then I'll get my torque wrench and we'll see what it tightened them to.
It definitely likes going down, down there. But this is a real world scenario. This is the 5,000 pound truck at least. And it did this, off the ground.
I believe that's all the way down. All right, now just out of curiosity, let's see what this thing actually tightened the lug nuts to. We'll start at Start at 50. Okay. They're 70. Alright. Actually got them a lot tighter than I thought it would. Maybe over tightened. There's 100. That's about what it tightened up to, about 100. So that little electric impact wrench tightened these to almost 100 foot-pounds. I mean, a lot of your small vehicles, that 100 foot-pounds is about right, maybe a little too tight. So, am I impressed? Actually, yeah, I am. So, it's a good deal, I think. All right, so in this kit from Taskstar, you get this jack. It's got a aluminum, like a cast aluminum foot for the jack. It's got an air compressor. It's got your lights. It's got your impact wrench. Comes with gloves, glass breaker, sockets and extra fuses. I don't know. I mean, it worked. Throw it under the seat of your truck and trunk of your car. Might save you a backache on the side of the highway. So this handy little jack from Taskstar. I'd buy one. I mean, throw it under the seat of the truck, throw it in the trunk of your car. It worked. You saw it lifted up my half-ton four-door truck. So, I mean, it works. Might get you out of a pickle. Now, how big of a vehicle will it lift? I don't know. It struggled on my half-ton a little bit, but not too bad. I'd say probably half-ton trucks about as big as you want to go with it, but I mean, you never know. You never know. So, but yeah, it's actually a cool little tool. So yeah, I'll throw the link up, and I'll give you a discount code. So order one, get a discount, and yeah, might be something that saves your butt someday on the side of the highway.